when it gets to construction, if you have had a BIM model put in place, or as they're doing now, the digital twin, you have already sort of, hopefully you have, this model has been shown to stakeholders. They know exactly what's going to be in place. The model can also be used. We used it for a couple of things. We managed schedule that way. We could look 6 months ahead of time and see how things were being built. We, on one project, we were able to digitize or show digitally how a bridge deck was being put in over a railroad track. And they did it over and over to make sure they were missing, making sure it was going in safely. So they were able to do this, digitally a lot of times to make sure they were doing it safely. So when they got out there, it only took one pass and it was done, and it was done quickly and safely. So that's one way. Another way is for this huge water plant I worked on, they had put in these, we were putting in these overhead cranes, and the coordination on coordination drawings, it's kind of hard to see. On BIM, they hung a valve on BIM digitally. They hung a valve on this overhead crane and brought the valve around a corner, and they realized the valve was smacking through the walls in the corner. You know what I mean? Like, not, you didn't hear it, you saw it on digitally, and they were like, oh, so they relocated where the overhead crane was going to be installed inside the building. So that saved a lot of money later, I have to say. And it was, so that's going to operate efficiently. We didn't have to do a change order to move it when we were in the field going, oh goodness, that's not going to work. And then we would have to move it. So that was another money saving in operations. So operations was actually sitting in with us, viewing a lot of these things that were going to be happening later when the plant was built. So that's another way of saving for sure.